guys, welcome to today's vlog. So today, Sunday the 4th Feb, I think, I'm not sure, but it's February now. Woo! My least favourite month is over. So today I can't really chat for long. We're about to go and pick Kira up from church, and then me, my mum and sister, Kira, are all going to the beach. I know it's not the right day for the beach, but we're just going to walk Casper and then go and get like coffee or something. I don't really know what we're doing, but it's going to be really nice. Bad lighting. So yeah, I'll see you in the car because I'm going to leave now. Where's my stuff? So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Hope you enjoy the vlog. Got Kira Chapman. And we're almost here now, and it's very sunny. The beach, and it's so windy.
Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. Now I'm at a payphone. Dirty bass, ghetto girl, you drive me crazy. Hell yeah, dirty bass. Let's go. Turn up the music 'cause the song just came on. Here and now, I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you've done, it's about what you do. Cross my heart and I hope you die. It's all about where you going, no matter where you been. That I'll only stay with you one more night. Let's go.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. I think I finally had enough. I think I maybe think too much. I think this might be for us.
Let's go.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one, 'cause that's just how it is.
Let's go.
Steady dancing in the moonlight, take me down like I went down below. Baby, baby, dancing in the moonlight. Oh, baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh, baby, baby. I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. You chewed me up and spit me out like I was poison in your mouth. You took my life, you drained me down, but that was then and this is now.
Girl, let me love you.
Wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared it's wrong, but you might make a mistake. This is the part of me that you never gonna ever take away from me.
Girl, let me love you.
There's no time to live, and there's no time to waste. So let me give your heart a break.
Hi guys, so we also went to like this dessert place after, like a little, it was like a yog place, and it doesn't look that like appetizing now, but it had Blue Millions in, Oreos, Nutella, and then chocolate ice cream, and so good, yeah. So we're home now and I'm just watching Pretty Little Liars, but I'm watching the season 6B because I finished Pretty Little Liars, but obviously season 6B, like the new one, so I'm watching that now and eating my yog thing. So yeah, I've just got some water. So yeah, I've enjoyed this vlog. I mean, I just wanted to vlog because I haven't vlogged in, I wouldn't say quite a while, but I haven't really vlogged that much, and I don't know, I just felt like vlogging today. So hi everybody, not gonna lie, I actually forgot I was vlogging, but yeah, it is now 10:30, so I'm about to go to bed. Oh, I can't bear this school. It's 10:30 soon though. I think it's next week, isn't it? That's good. Yeah, I look really rough right now. I think my like eyes, I put this new mascara on today, like it's not new, but it's one I haven't used in like a while, and it's made my eyes, like when I got out of the bath, my whole eye was black, and now I look really like, if you're wondering why I've got my hand plaits, I never wear my hand plaits. It's just because this is how I curl my hair, because I can't have much heat in my hair, so I found a new way to curl your hair without using any heat. So when I wash my hair, I just put it in plaits and then sleep in them when I'm up in the morning. They're really nice and curly, so yeah. yeah, hope you enjoy the vlog. Got my little top and then some PJ pants. I'm really cozy right now. Yeah. Ow! So that's why I've got my hair parts. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I haven't really been very good at my vlogging game so far in 2018. Let's say I've had about, oh my god, I think this might be my first vlog of 2018. I'm really not doing well at all. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!